Hello, it's Zarab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. It's a 7-seater SV package. It does have a 4x4 option. It's a keyless start, just a push start. Drives just amazing. Everything works on it. Ice cold AC. It's in 2-wheel drive mode. You can switch to all-wheel drive, and then you can even lock the 4x4. So, has a heated seats, has a rear camera, which is pretty helpful. The mileage on the vehicle right now is 209,000 kilometers. And again, it drives just excellent. It's been fully certified. It has all new brakes all around. The oil change just been done on it. Here's the rear seats and the power lift gate. Few extra seats at the back. Alloy rims and the black interior. So if you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.